Good day, and Madonna Larom, 42 years old, married with two children, ages of 13 and 7 years old. I'm high school graduate. I'm responsible, kind, honest. I'm willing to learn new skills to meet my employer's needs. My first work experience in Kuwait from April 2010 to January 2013. Serving a family of 5, I handle household chores, cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing clothes. I completed my contract. My second work experience was here in Philippines from June 2020 to June 2025. Serving a family of 4, taking care of children ages of 5 and 10 years old. I handle child care, pet care, and cooking and household chores. I'm completed this my contract. I am eager to my work for my future employer. I am committed to doing my best to provide excellent care to your family.